This is a video solving a U substitution problem step by step, and also demonstrating how my downloadable programs work in your TI-89 titanium calculator and other TI calculators for calculus and physics problems. And let's get started. Second alpha, INDEX, the letters, and you press alpha to put 8 in the open and close parentheses. Press enter, you're into my menu. You can scroll down or up to that U substitution. It's all alphabetical. So we'll get to U substitution here. Enter our function. You have to press alpha before you enter anything into the entry lines here. We're going to do 2 times x times the square root, orange key, and then the over the times key, x squared plus 9. Press enter. I always show you what you've entered in case you made a mistake. I say it's okay. And here's your function. You have to rewrite it. Here's the constant. You have to take that outside the integral sign. We take the x and put it over here by the dx. And u equals x squared plus 9. And here's the derivative. And you have, anytime you have a constant here, you put it over and divide du by that constant. And leave the rest over here. Should be no numbers over here. Notice that this is the same as the previous x by dx. That's why we rewrite it. And here's the calculations. Put them all down on your paper exactly like this. Pretty complicated, but when you notice when you have a square root, it's to the 1/2, and so therefore you're using u to the 1/2, and you have to add 1 to that one. It would be 2 halves, which equals 3 halves, and then you have to divide by 3 halves. That's the way you integrate. And then, of course, don't forget to when you're dividing by a fraction, you always have to invert and multiply. Here's 2/3 inverted from 3 halves, or 3 over 2. Then you substitute your back in for u, and here's your answer here. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepCalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass your calculus.